Hello there, I'm Sencha with Vumber.com, and today I'm going to explain how you can add a new Vumber number to your account using the Vumber app. Start off by opening up your Vumber app. Next, hit the hamburger menu at the top left of the screen. From here, choose My Numbers. Now tap the plus icon up in the top right corner. Type in the first 3 digits to either search available numbers by US area code or to show available toll-free numbers. Once the available numbers are showing, tap the one that you would like to add and then hit View Cart. Before we add this to our account, we are going to select the forwarding number for this newly added Vumber. In other words, where the call will be redirected to once someone rings this number. I am going to select my personal number. Finally, just hit Order Number. And there you have it. That new number will be live in your account straight away, ready to go. If you are experiencing any issues, please don't hesitate to reach out to us at support@vumber.com. Bye for now.